All right, now these days, it's AI this or Chat GPT that. Next thing you know, we'll be hearing that Skynet went live, and well, we all know how that played out. Ugh. Wait, what are we on now? Like Terminator 9, right? Anyway, we live in an increasingly digital world, and with terms like automation and workflow pinging you more than that email chain from Franken Accounting, it's easy to scroll on by and let that be a problem for Monday. But make no mistake, those in the know realize that workflow is more than a cliche. Workflow software platforms are on the scene, and they are here to revolutionize the way work gets managed. Hello, my name is Eric from High Gear. Now at High Gear, we love anything that improves workflow and processes. So today, I'm going to talk to you about what workflow software is and why you need it. To understand workflow software, let's take a step back to high school group projects and go over what workflow is. Simply put, workflow is a representation of how work moves through an organization across departments or from team member to team member. Now, it can also be defined by a sequence of actions and controls that route tasks and artifacts through business processes. Workflow software is a category of solutions that supports the configuration and orchestration of distinct business behaviors and actions that make up workflows and processes. Each workflow represents a series of steps, decisions, and the overall sequence of tasks that need to be carried out in a specific order by one or more employees or departments to complete a business process. Now, there are many types of workflows and key components, so let's break it down. Variety is the spice of life. So just like cars, donuts, and people, workflows come in all shapes and sizes. But they can generally be classified into three broad categories: process workflow, case workflow, and project workflow. A process workflow is a type of workflow that focuses on the execution of a series of activities or tasks to complete a business process. Basically, process workflows follow a predetermined path or sequence of activities, and they are triggered by the completion of the preceding activity. For example, at Thanksgiving, I eat 2 plates of food, followed by a 1-hour nap, followed by 2 pieces of pie. That's just the sequence of events. A case workflow is a type of workflow that focuses on handling individual cases or requests. Unlike process workflows, the path of a case workflow can be variable based on the specific needs of each case. A project workflow is a type of workflow that focuses on the coordination and execution of a series of activities or tasks to complete a project. Typically, project workflows involve multiple individuals and teams working together to complete a set of interrelated tasks. No matter the workflow type, there are components involved in completing a task. The 3 key components of any workflow are inputs, transformation, and outputs. These 3 components use data and information to track results and ensure the workflow is being followed. All right, now I understand workflow. How do I manage it? I'm glad you asked. Let's get right into that. Now, whether your organization needs to report to external governing bodies or not, workflow management software systemizes activities, provides visibility across teams, and provides the kind of control and insights that emails and spreadsheets cannot offer. It's like your workflow was a nice Honda Accord just doing its thing, but then you traded it in for a Tesla and boom! Your drive to work is something that you actually look forward to now. Workflow software reduces errors while streamlining business processes and decreasing time spent on repetitive tasks. But how much can it really impact your business? Well, according to McKinsey Digital, 30% of worker time could be saved by automation, allowing reduced manual data entry and the pursuit of important decision-making activities. 30% is no small number. That's 30% more time and money you could get back in your pocket. Now, a few ways that workflow automation improves businesses are higher levels of work. It frees up manager time for strategic thinking and improvement. It improves a team's productivity and improves a company's overall efficiency. So now that you know you need a workflow software, let's talk about how you go about choosing one. Now, when looking at workflow management software for your business, there are many things to consider. Here are my top 5 key features to look for in the right business workflow software solution. Here you go. Number 1, the software should help you run on autopilot. This means that it maps all of your processes from the simplest to the most complex, involving hundreds of people across multiple teams, departments, offices, and locations. Number 2, it should provide real-time reporting. With so many business processes running, real-time reporting is essential to keep track of important metrics and goals. Next up at number 3, it should utilize highly flexible forms to capture data. Forms are often a part of complex workflows and processes, as they provide a convenient way to capture data and artifacts from platform users, teams, and other internal and external stakeholders. Because forms are a critical foundation to the successful execution of workflows, it's essential that they can be custom tailored to your workflows. Number 4, it should allow you to assign and manage tasks quickly and easily. The number of participants needed in each workflow will constantly change, as it will when people leave and new employees are added. Therefore, this feature is a must for all businesses. And lastly, number 5, it should offer full visibility into your data and analytics. Managers who oversee projects need to be able to easily view the number of tasks and quickly learn who is doing what and by when. Having a single point of truth will save you so much time in the long run. Now that you know what to look for, let me show you another great tool that goes hand in hand with managing workflows: BPM. Business process management is a systematic approach to improving organizational performance that contributes to delivering products or services to customers. Workflow management systems are often used to help implement BPM strategies, as they aggregate and deploy actions on a tactical level. Workflow is focused on the tactics, whereas process management is focused on the bigger picture and the aggregation of workflows to deliver on a strategy. The goal of BPM is to reduce inefficiencies and increase productivity by streamlining work and improving employee communication and collaboration. Workflow management software is therefore a critical tool in today's modern process management approaches, as it can automate repetitive tasks, keep everyone on the same page with real-time updates, and provide valuable insights into how processes can be improved. Business process management and workflow management are closely related concepts. BPM focuses on improving processes, while workflow management systems are used to help implement those improvements. Both are essential for businesses that want to increase efficiency and productivity. The right workflow management software can make all the difference in the success of a BPM initiative. It's like ice cream cake and regular cake. They both are great in what they offer, and I couldn't see the world without either. We need them both, and right now I need both of them. I'm hungry. Now, in addition to creating efficiency and productivity, process improvement and workflow management can help a business mitigate risk, increase profit, and create a strong competitive advantage. Now, as you can see, workflow software can completely transform your current workflow and greatly reduce the many headaches for your management team. Aside from the many benefits I went over today, workflow software is a subject that we could talk about for hours. So if you ever want to learn more about how High Gear can help you with workflow software, please schedule a demo with us today. Thank you very much for watching. Stay tuned for more helpful videos, and we will see you soon.